Let's go ahead and open up trail tipper. I think it tipped. I mean, they call it trail tipper. It should tip. Let's see. Yep, there you go. So you can have little things in the back. Tow it around. Speaking of around, there we go. Moving around. While he's spinning, I'm going to open up Blaze Blaster. So we have a yellow tipper and a yellow blaster. Next, excuse me. There's Blaze Blaster. Fun model. I like to collect every color of that one. A lot of models, I don't need to collect every color, but this one, I just like to collect every color. How about that police car? Subaru Impreza WRX. Coming up next. Got a light bar on top, like I said. Nice blue light bar. No push bar. I like my police cars to have light bars and push bars. Push bars and light bars. I got my own phrase backwards. And then just like Hot Wheels, I don't know if this model always had a metal spoiler in the back. I don't know if this part was always metal, but it is now. With the Hot Wheels line, if you didn't know, they're making all the spoilers part of the body now, so they're all metal, not a separate plastic piece. Runway Wrangler, that's a little tongue twister. Let me check them out. I don't see no moving parts. No moving parts. Excuse me. Maybe that's what he's for pushing. No, he's not for pushing. But he does have like a ramp on the back as if he's to pick up things. I'm not sure exactly what he wrangles. Let's see. Hey, that'll work. I'm sure that's not what it's for though. Oops. I guess he pushed them better than he just pushed them back for being pushed. And last up, checkered cab. Oh, another model. I didn't even think about it. It's another model with a light bar on top. Then we have the checkered cab. I'm not sure what the actual casting is. Looks like about a 55 something. Let's check out the bottom. No tampos on the front. It just has side tampos, nothing on the top. And it's another model that has a light bar going out through the hood, roof, not the hood. This is the hood, this is the roof. This is the trunk. See how the lights come up? It's part of the white interior, comes through here. It's the white piece. Whereas, you know, this one's separate for sure because it's got a clear window, and this is blue. So you know it's a separate piece. And let's see if it has an actual, just says checkered cab. So I'm not sure what the car itself is. If it is modeled after a Chevy, 55 Chevy or Buick. I don't know. I'm sure you experts know. Here we have the first case assortment for 2015, a case for Matchbox. I was able to acquire it, so we're going to go ahead and do it. 1, 2, 3, somebody fell in the back. Nope, it's not you. Maybe it's you. Yeah, probably you. Got the VW. The Volkswagen Beetle 4x4. I believe that was in the last case assortment. Crime Crusher 4x4. Got a little police decals for the Crime Crusher. It says Sheriff on the side. It's nice to see the off-road VW back in the mix. Here we have the 4x4 Scrambulance. Haven't seen Scrambulance in a while. Actually, quite some time haven't seen them. And if you ask why is there multiples in the case, well, it's because when they fill the pegs, you know, maybe more than one person wants to buy one. So it's all right, there's multiples in the case. Quarry King. Now here's Crime Crusher. You know what? I was in the store months ago, and I seen Crime Crusher come out in 2 different decos. And it might have been in my last case, I'm not sure. But look, same model. They gave one a police deco and one a fire department deco. So you can buy what you like. If you want, if you like. If you don't like, you don't buy. You don't have to buy everything. Ah, yes. Trail tipper. This one has a little tilting bed. I believe it tips. Looks like we have a pivot. It's been a while since I opened up that one, so I'll go ahead and open this one up, put them on the turntable, check them out. Here we have Blaze Blaster. This is for the fantasy models from Matchbox. This is one of my favorites. I just like it. kind of doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It would kind of be hard to drive a big 4x4 truck out in the forest like that. But I don't know. It's fantasy play, right? Here we have the seed shaker, checker cab. It was kind of hard hearing people finding this in the stores, and I could not find one. So I'm glad to get this as well. I did not know that checker cab is actually a licensed name. I thought it was just a generic name. But yeah, it's a trademark name. Seed shaker. That was in the last mix for 2014, which was 6 months ago that I got. You know what? I did see, I guess I was seeing some new mixes because I did see Subaru Impreza WRX in the stores. Love that car. Nice decos. Glad to have a couple of them. Sorry, there is not really, oh wow, 4 in the case. MBX Coupe, and once again, there's the Subaru Impreza. It's got the light bar. As a matter of fact, is this a separate? Oh, look, it still has a separate light bar on this model. Most police vehicles that you're going to see Matchbox come up with, they're going to have like the interior pop up through the roof and be the light bar. MBX Coupe. MBX Coupe again. Green rims around the rims. Dune Dog. 2 samples. You got some stuff up in the roof. You're going to see that a lot from Matchbox nowadays. They're going to replace the metal part of the roof and make it plastic. It's to cut down on the cost for shipping and materials. And it also gives them an opportunity to put little hidden goodies up there. Mini Dozer. 3 samples of Mini Dozer. Runway Wrangler. It's like it works on the airport. Airport Wrangler. I don't know what he would wrangle. Maybe you guys know what he would wrangle. All-terrain crane. He's been in the mix before. Not that color. Bum, 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 bum. What kind of cars are in my Mr. Grooves eBay store? Well, the link's in the description. Oh yeah, this was in the last mix of 2014, so I'm glad to see it continue. 93 Ford Mustang LX SSP. 3 of them in the case. Very nice. And for me being in California, this is definitely one that's nice to have because it has the highway patrol symbol, which looks like the California Highway Patrol symbol. Safety and service on the back. Maybe when I put this on my computer, I'll be able to see that logo better to see if it says California on there. But you see this one, the light bar? See the light bar pops through the roof. It's not a separate piece. It's part of the interior and it pops up through. 3 left, all the same car. And we have Coyote 500, a little outdoors off-road type vehicle. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.